Augmented reality technologies like smart glasses and like tablets, they are delivering the next generation of experiences to manufacturing operations. Hi, I'm Ronald van Loon and I'm a T-Mobile for Business partner. And I delved into how 5G manufacturing operations enable industrial Internet of Things advantages. Now, 5G manufacturers' environments, they will benefit from the combination of 5G and AR developments, from training and onboarding, but also repair and maintenance, quality control, and also safety management. Now, let me give some perspective on the effects. Aberdeen Research, they reveal that manufacturers employing AR technology experience over a 30% annual reduction in maintenance expenses and in production downtime when compared to those that are not utilizing AR. Furthermore, McKinsey, they forecast that over the next 3 years, telecom operators will invest a staggering $600 billion into advanced 5G networks. Now, while AR can exist on 4G networks, 5G offers new advantages for manufacturing workforces. You can think about the lower latency, the high data speed, the increased network capacity, and don't forget the network slicing. But also edge computing enables a more seamless, responsive, and reliable AR experience in manufacturing environments. Now, 5G can help organizations to overcome their transformation limitations, but also the business challenges, and implement these advanced use cases that can differentiate yourself from your competitor. Now, when implementing new IoT technologies, businesses can handle a lot more devices with 5G capabilities, and you can think about these AR applications, while also benefiting from automating your supply chain or your manufacturing capabilities. The COVID-19 pandemic disrupted the manufacturing sector. So this was placing heavy demands on the entire industry. And this includes the supply chain disruption, but also labor shortages. Also, organizations adapt to this rapid technological change. It's challenging to make new technology investments, retain your workers, but also adjust your production processes, or maybe do it all three at the same time. And these manufacturing challenges have resulted in an immediate need for new processes and new operations to improve your productivity, your efficiency, but also, of course, your supply chain reliability. And 5G and AR is uniquely positioned to overcome these modern day type of business and transformation challenges. Let me give some examples. 5G enables network slicing. So operators, they can provide more flexible and more scalable services, like, for example, implementing new IoT and new edge services and other type of advanced use cases. And network slicing helps to divide both the physical infrastructure into multiple virtual networks. And this enables network operators to utilize new applications and new services that fit this unique, this dedicated business and industry requirements like AR. Now, to give an example, a manufacturing technician in a physical factory location, he can wear this AR glasses for this remote assistance and for guidance service repair. And he is receiving then a real-time input and directions from remote technicians who aren't on site, can be 100 kilometers away. And information can be virtually displayed to the on-site technician via their AR glasses, so he can see exactly what he needs. And remote technicians, they can then view the site via the first-person perspective that on-the-site technician has and give him directions accordingly. But also, AR can help to alleviate the skills gaps and, for example, your labor shortages. Now, fast and reliable 5G connections provide hands-free training and also all different kinds of instructions, which reduces all these lengthy training sessions and provides a much more realistic training simulation. Now, these types of AR applications, they can be extended to facilitate inspections, to enhance your quality control for conducting inspections. And these various AR applications are enabled by technologies like you combine 5G, IoT, edge, and also network slicing. Now, organizations, they embrace transformation and modernization in the manufacturing industry. And 5G-enabled AR solutions can really help these organizations to improve the worker productivity and their safety, but also enhance the collaboration through this remote assistance, or reduce the costs and the downtime associated with maintenance repair. Now, this can aid manufacturing organizations in their shift towards the Industry 4.0 and also technology-enabled type of future that they need to move into. Thanks to T-Mobile for business for providing research into the latest innovations in 5G and AR. I'm Ronald van Loon, and this is the Intelligent World.